Hello, grade 1. How do you do? I wish you are fine. Are you ready for today's lesson? Okay, let's start. Today, we talk about technology and the t-shirt. Technology and the t-shirt. How to make a t-shirt? What are the steps that we take to make a t-shirt? First, cotton plant grows in fields. Second, we pick up cotton balls with a cotton harvesting machine. Second, we pick cotton balls with a cotton harvesting machine. After that, we separate cotton from seeds with a cotton gin. Number 4, we spin cotton into yarn that is woven into fabric with a loom. Again, we spin cotton into yarn that is woven into fabric with a loom. At the end, we cut and sew the fabric with a sewing machine, so we get our t-shirt. Okay, now, did you know how can we make a shirt? Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.